Yes.
Probably do it like this. Yeah, I think you're right. I mean, see, there's the swinging both ways.
Yep. And there's where the Big Eddy was, or now it's actually a, well, might still be there. Yeah, but then you're gonna have to swing. Yeah. Oh, we could skirt it on the right. Are you sure? You don't want to just like turn your ass into it and... That looks like a surf wave to me, sir. Woo! Oh yeah, you can power through it. That's not too bad. It's even braking. Well, you know, we still have the cut from the right-hand channel. That's a beautiful wave, sir. That's no big deal.